So number 12, right? Okay. So, is cosecant theta equals 2 root 3 over 3. First thing I would do is realize cosecant is the inverse of sine. All right? So the sine would be the flip of that. So 3 over 2 root 3. And then I would rationalize that by multiplying top and bottom by root 3. All right? Now, when you rationalize, you'll realize hopefully the 3's are going to cancel out. And you're left with root 3 over 2. So that tells you the sine of the angle is root 3 over 2. So we go back to what we talked about before. Where is sine root 3 over 2? That's the pi over 3 family. So myself, I would write pi over 3 and pi over 3 with space, because I know it's the pi over 3 family. Now, cosecant's positive, so the sine's positive. Where's the sign positive in quadrant 1 and 2? In quadrant 1, the numerator is just pi, so I'm done with that one. In quadrant 2, it's 1 less than the denominator. 3 minus 1 is 2, so 2 pi over 3. Good? Everybody else? The whole page? Now you can't see anything. Number 7? What? Now I got to do all of them? All right, ready? Secant of 13 pi over 4. As soon as I see the 4 family, here's how you go about it. All right? I know secant is the inverse of cosine. Anything with pi over 4, sine and cosine are both root 2 over 2. So I know my final answer is root 2 over 2. With that? Okay, now 13 pi over 4 is too big though. So I got to subtract 8 pi over 4 from it. Make sense? So that gives me a coterminal angle of 5 pi over 4. Well, I have to remember, if the numerator is 1 more than the denominator, that puts me down here in quadrant 3. You with me? And if I'm in quadrant 3, cosine's negative, so that means my final answer is negative. So it would be negative root 2. Okay?